All right, we back. This is gonna be an interesting little lineup here.
right,
First
all right.
joints up here.
Uh-huh.
Get right to it. This is real basic. And
Okay.
whatnot. They are premium, but you know what I'm
Okay.
saying? Nice little.
Okay, okie dokie.
Actually, my first pair of low top dunks.
Really?
Yeah, my first pair of low dunks.
You know what? We've had so many on the show. They were all Morgans.
Oh yeah.
Morgan is the low. She's got so wow.
I ordered some orange strings to replace the green joints. Yeah, yeah. That should ring off a little nicely. It ain't coming on time, but it's all good.
Morgan may feel some type of way about that because that's all FAMU right there.
Oh,
Orange and green.
yeah. I'll send her a picture. You know
But these are tough.
They're clean.
These are tough. I mean, listen, you can't go. We went to a basketball game the other night, and we didn't really get a chance to get. Maybe we'll talk about it in depth a little more a little later. We started talking about what sneaker culture has done to mainstream society.
Oh, yeah.
And the dunk is now the baseline.
It is. Yeah.
Now, don't get me wrong. Everybody wears the pandas and everybody wears certain joints, but you can still never go. It's such a versatile sneaker, though.
It is, and that was the
That's
basis.
why you can't diss it.
This is the basis of this cop. It's like I can do something with this.
You can do everything with it.
You
You
know
can
what
put
I'm
a
saying?
suit over this.
Yeah.
You can put some sweatsuits with it. You can put some jeans. You can go casual. It is actually limitless with dunks. And their popularity has grown, but they are really, really getting some competition with the Sambas and the Gazelles.
Yes.
And it's going to be a lot more Sambas and Gazelles on this
They're out
show
there.
coming up.
Yeah, they're out there.
Oh, trust me.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. Not to tip my hand, but I got something in the mail.
Right.
Coming in the mail. Yeah, so these are tough. I like the cream has also been taking over the market. There's a lot more cream instead of white soles.
Oh yes, yeah.
And on
it's
everywhere.
like a super duper white soul. It's almost, it's not a rare thing, but
Yeah.
people want to deal with that.
And if it's not so much cream, I'll just say anything that's not white. You know what I mean? So these are tough. You got the premium leather on the top, and then the canvas,
was
going,
I
which,
like the canvas
which now
piece.
takes this into different seasons.
Yeah,
Because you can easily linen this,
yeah.
because the canvas will match the linen.
Yeah.
So that means you're well into summer. Meanwhile, you could rock this. I mean, not that we keep our sneakers to any season anyway.
Nope.
Right?
We do what we want.
We do what we want. But I'm just saying the versatility of this
indeed.
is dope. These are tough, man.
Yeah,
These
I
are
like
these
these
are
joints.
tough staple joints.
Nice staple. Nice way to kick off my little lineup here.
Joints.
Let's go. Let's keep it moving.